What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a update video. Guys, of course, HiveOS. Check out the link in the description below. Great supporter of the channel. So, check out the link for them below. Maybe get yourself an HiveOS case. Who knows, right? Got the Intel GPU over there. So, today, we actually need to go and clean and fix a rig. So we have one of our A2000 rigs that's usually right there. Is actually over here in the hotter room. It's actually kind of warmer in here for me because my jacket creates kind of some static, so I usually don't wear it. But this is my our A2000 rig that we have here at TheFamilyMine. It's been running probably, I'd say, about 6 months total, or about 5 months total. But it's been inside of this case 4 months. There's a video, I'll link it up there if I can, that shows me putting these into this case, and I've thoroughly enjoyed keeping them in here. But we actually have a bad fan. I don't know if you can hear that, but we've got a bad fan in there, so I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little blowout and then replace the fan and get it back up and hashing. I really love these cases for the A2000s because, I mean, it's like literally no cables whatsoever needed for this. You just power it through the external board on top, and we just use one of these HP power supplies. So it's a 1200 watt power supply. If we put it on, 110, you're about 900 watts, but you only pull about 600-ish watts with all of these A2000s. So it's really a really good case. I actually have a redesign of this case coming out here soon for a RevTech board. So we have a bunch of these that actually we don't have boards for them, but the standoffs are the right size for if you have a riser. You could put a riser right down here, you could zap it down and still have the card right here, have all 8 cards, and the RevTech board actually fits right here in this slot. The only thing you have to do is right down here, you have to cut a slot, and you have to cut out the grating a little bit for the ports on the RevTech. But other than that, like, it straight on fits. So all you would need to do is run cables, which you already are running cables for this board. You would just run them into the case for powering it. So I don't know, cool little tidbit we can show y'all later, but it'd be a cool solution for people that have RevTech boards that would like to maybe put them in a server case. So stay tuned for that, but let's blow this bad boy out and replace the fan. I just gotta say, guys, that fan was bad. And then leaving behind this really fine metallic-y dust. There was a nice little pile of it, like right there in the case. Little freaky. I love this. These server cases and these A2000s. By far my favorite. And just like that, guys, back up in Hive, doing good. Temps are a little bit better. Smashing out about 33 souls on flux per A2000 for about 68 watts per card. So FA, guys, I absolutely love it. Great machine, great case for these cards. And yeah, catch y'all on the next one. Much love, peace out, stay hashing, and stay savage. Yo.